Welcome! In this quick guide, you'll learn how to turn off notifications about a specific post on the Facebook app when using your PC. If you're tired of getting constant alerts from a post you've already seen or no longer care about, this simple setting can help you stay focused and keep your notifications clean. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your PC using your preferred browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your notifications and activity. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see several icons, including the notifications bell. Go ahead and click on the notifications icon. This will open a drop-down list showing all your recent notifications. Now, scroll through the list and find the notification related to the post you want to stop receiving updates about. This could be a post you've commented on, reacted to, or one you've been tagged in. When you find the specific notification, hover your mouse over it. You should see a three-dot menu appear next to it. Click on those three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Turn off notifications about this post. Once you click it, Facebook will immediately stop sending you updates related to that post. And that's it. You won't receive any more notifications from that particular post, helping you reduce distractions and keep your notifications relevant. This is especially useful if a post becomes very active or starts getting too many comments that you don't need to follow anymore. Give it a try and take control of your Facebook notifications today.